Let me take you to a college reunion I attended recently. Everyone was flashing new iPhones, designer belts, and luxury car keys. But the wealthiest guy in the room, a quiet man named Dave, no flashy clothes, wore the same shoes he wore 3 years ago. He even joked about using the same laptop since 2015. People laughed at his simplicity until he revealed he owns 3 rental properties, a profitable software startup, and has 0 debt. Suddenly, everyone stopped laughing. Have you ever been laughed at for doing something that seemed stupid, but secretly made you richer? What if I told you that the very habits society mocks, avoids, or calls stupid are actually the secret sauce behind the wealth of millionaires? In this video, I'm revealing 8 so-called stupid habits, ones that may seem boring, awkward, or outdated, but are actually backed by logic, wealth psychology, and real-life success stories. Subscribe the channel and let's break it down. Number 1. Cleaning your space obsessively. Ever thought cleaning your space could clean your bank account too, in the best way possible? This might sound absurd, even stupid to some. But here's the secret the wealthy won't scream about. A cluttered environment reflects a cluttered mind, and a cluttered mind makes poor money decisions. Obsessive organization isn't just a neat freak's hobby. It's a performance hack that sharpens decision-making, boosts productivity, and rewires your brain for discipline. Start small. Clean your desk every evening, make it a ritual. Go digital with receipts and documents. Use automation tools like Notion, Evernote, or Google Tasks to systemize your ideas. Create a parking lot folder where every thought or to-do has a place. If your space is cluttered, your finances probably are too. Number 2. Saying no to freebies. What if saying no to free stuff was actually the most profitable decision you'll make this year? Sounds stupid, right? Who turns down free coffee, free merch, or a free trial? But here's what the rich understand that most don't. Nothing is truly free. Every freebie has a hidden cost: your time, your focus, your data, or worse, your long-term habits. Studies from Harvard Business Review reveal that free offers activate impulsive decision-making, which often leads to poor financial behavior later. That free $5 gift card? It may cost you $500 in future purchases you didn't need. The truth is, wealthy people run from freebies that steal their attention and discipline. Because they know distractions are expensive. How many of us sign up for a 7-day free trial of a streaming or subscription service and forget to cancel it? Over 68% of Americans waste money on subscriptions they don't use. That's not free. That's financial drift. Start auditing your life. Cancel unused trials. Unsubscribe from pointless emails, and reject anything that doesn't push you forward. Number 3. Doing price comparisons like a maniac. Ever seen someone spend 30 minutes comparing prices just to save $10 and thought, that's insane? Now imagine doing that on everything you buy, every time, not because you're broke, but because you understand compound thinking. Wealthy people do price comparisons not out of scarcity, but out of principle. It's not about the $10. It's about the discipline that saved them $10,000 over a decade. Where people go wrong is this: they blindly buy, they impulse scroll, and they click buy now because Amazon made it easy. They don't compare prices across sites. They don't track historical prices. And worst of all, they pride themselves on convenience over consciousness. That laziness is costing them silently. Want to flip this? Use price-checking tools. Track prices on and delay purchases by 48 hours. Let that price sit with your logic, not your emotions. Number 4. How the quiet ones build power and profit. In a world obsessed with talking, presenting, and being heard, the truly wealthy understand a deeper power: strategic silence. The most effective teams didn't just have strong talkers. They had members who knew when not to speak. Silence builds anticipation. Silence demands attention. And in high-stakes boardrooms, silence signals control. Wealthy individuals don't speak to fill time. They speak to move the room. You're in a Zoom call with 8 coworkers. One person dominates the chat, talks 80% of the time, but contributes nothing useful. Another speaks once, but drops a solution that saves the company $10,000. Guess who gets the raise? Pause. Listen, then strike with purpose. Because in the game of wealth, sometimes the quietest voice makes the loudest impact. Number 5. Living with parents on purpose. What if I told you living with your parents as an adult isn't a setback? It's a strategy used by some of the smartest millionaires today. In a culture that shames adults for not moving out, the wealthy see something different. Free rent equals faster capital accumulation. While most people are busy trying to impress the world with their independence, the financially wise are stacking cash, investing early and building leverage, all from the comfort of their childhood bedrooms. 52% of young adults, ages 18-29, in the US now live with their parents, but only a small percentage do it with strategy. And that difference? It's what separates those who stay stuck from those who get rich. Your friend moves out at 22, pays $1,800 rent in LA, and works 2 jobs just to survive. Meanwhile, you live with your parents till 26, save $50,000 and buy your first duplex. By 30, your rent-paying friend is still struggling. You're collecting cash flow. Most people move out to look independent. Smart people stay in to become financially independent, faster. Number 6, being boring with money. What if the secret to getting insanely rich is being painfully boring with your money? Not flashy, not impulsive, not jumping on the latest crypto coin or the hottest IPO, just doing the same dull, disciplined things every single month like a machine. It sounds uninspiring, maybe even stupid, right? But this is exactly how the 1% stay rich while others go broke trying to look smart. Investors who consistently put money into index funds and held them long-term saw average returns of 7–10% per year, beating most active traders who tried to outsmart the market. Boring isn't weak, it's wealthy. Wealth isn't about high returns, it's about consistent habits and not losing money. Automate your investing. Budget with spreadsheets. Say no to hype culture. Number 7, tracking every penny. The wealthy don't just earn big, they know exactly where every dollar goes. According to a study by US Bank, only 41% of Americans use a budget, but those who do are 2x more likely to have $10,000 plus in savings. Why? Because tracking creates awareness, and awareness creates powerful behavior change. Think of it like Google Analytics for your wallet. If you're not measuring, you're guessing. And in the world of money, guessing is expensive. Tiffany, the budgetnista. Alish built her multi-million-dollar brand from a spreadsheet. She started by tracking every dollar during a rough financial patch, which helped her regain control. That small spreadsheet evolved into a financial education empire serving millions. You can't fix what you don't track. Watch your money like a hawk now or chase it like a slave later. Number 8, asking stupid questions relentlessly. Most people make the mistake of staying silent in meetings, pretending they understand, or Googling in shame after the fact. But you lose time, you lose clarity, and you lose access to people who can help you shortcut years of trial and error. Want to fix it? Create a learning list. Every week, write 3 questions you don't know the answer to. Ask someone smarter. Apply what you learn. Ask again. You don't know what a 401k is, but you're afraid to ask at work, so you miss out on $1,500 a year in employer matching. Billionaire investor Charlie Munger once said, "The wise man constantly questions his own ideas." High achievers aren't afraid to ask obvious questions. They'd rather look stupid for 5 seconds than stay broke for 50 years. Your ego costs you more than any failure ever will. Questions open doors. Pride shuts them. These habits aren't stupid. They're misunderstood, just like the wealthy who practice them. Before you leave, if this video resonated with you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to never miss an insight, and share it with your loved ones. Every like, sub, and share is a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.